Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in an Equitable Bank Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to log in an Equitable Bank Mortgage, all you need to do is simply tap open your web browser of your preference, and once you open a web browser you need to type in www.equitablebank.ca. After doing this, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the login option. There you can find the mortgage broker login, so simply type in the password of your account and hit the login button. So if you're not being able to log in this way, then you can simply tap on request login as well to help you get logged in into your Equitable Bank Mortgage login. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.